Do you freshly crack your pepper? If not, you should. 5 blend peppercorn makes a big difference. Hey guys, what's going on? Pat here at All Day Like a Shark, where I share my Japanese cooking videos once a week showing you how to make Japanese food. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing for more videos like this one. Today what we're going to be doing is making a Japanese style salad dressing, one of my favorites because it has onion. Alright, so I have all of my ingredients here ready to go. I got my olive oil, 5 peppercorn blend of peppercorns, so 5 pepper blend for the pepper. I have 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of mirin. I have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, light soy sauce. I have a handful of walnuts. I have some freshly juiced lemon. We're going to use about a tablespoon's worth. And then I have a small onion here, about a cup's worth, a little bit over a cup's worth, some avocado, some cherry tomatoes, and some cucumbers. So that's going to be our salad. Sometimes I like to put a little bit of chicken in or protein like tofu into the salads to make it a complete meal, but today we're just going to do it as a side dish. And sometimes I also put in some lemon zest to give it a little bit more of a lemony kick. And I almost forgot, we also put some honey in for some sweetness. Sometimes I use a little bit of brown sugar or white sugar depending on my mood. First thing that we're going to do is get everything processed. So I'm going to use about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Go ahead and measure this out. And then we're going to combine everything in here, including the onion, get that processed. This is just a white onion. You can use a red onion if you want a little bit of a different flavor profile, or a sweet onion, doesn't really matter. 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, and then the 2 tablespoons of mirin, the soy sauce, 1/4 cup like I mentioned, and then also the tablespoon of lemon juice, and then about a teaspoon of honey. If you don't want to use honey, you can definitely use some sugar. You need some sort of sweetness to balance out all of the acidity from the rice vinegar and the lemon juice that we're using. All of that stuff's in there, ready to go. Let's go ahead and get this processed. Okay, so our dressing is done. First thing that you should do is taste it. Make sure that it's to your liking. You might need to add a little bit of sugar if you like things sweeter. A little bit of salt if you want it saltier. Tastes pretty good to me. Forgot to put in some of the pepper. So that is our dressing ready to go. I'm just gonna go ahead and combine it into my dressing container. Just a canning jar. This actually tastes better the next day after the flavors have a chance to meld. Some of the onion flavor gets a little bit stronger. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and top everything in my salad. Just put a little bit of cucumbers in here. This is just Mizuna today. Sometimes I use baby greens. You can use lettuce, butter lettuce, whatever greens you have on hand. Dressing goes with a lot of different things. Throw on some of these little chopped cherry tomatoes. And lastly, the avocado. I just quartered these. And I liked to put nuts in my salad to make it a little bit more filling, in particular walnuts. #1 favorite nuts, probably followed by pistachios and almonds and pecan. Get these olives crushed, crumbled up into little bits. And go ahead and drizzle this dressing on here. Got a very quick and healthy Japanese style salad dressing that goes well with a variety of greens. Alright, so that's going to be it for this video. Let me know in the questions or comments. Question of the day: have you made a dressing, salad dressing, with onion before? Onion and soy sauce. Predominant flavors there with a little bit of tang from the lemon juice as well as the rice vinegar, and very light. We use extra virgin olive oil for a little bit of a kick, and Mizuna is our main ingredient here. Hope you guys give this a chance. Let me know if you have any questions or comments if you give it a try, and hit that alarm button for notifications for when I post new videos if you haven't already. Subscribe as well if you'd like to see more videos like this one, more Japanese food. And I think other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. See ya. Super light thanks to the onion, and a little bit of tang thanks to the lemon juice. Delicious. Oishii na.